All right, so we're doing D. Um, I'm thinking, should I draw the diagram minus 3, 5? Yeah, let's draw the diagram. Doesn't hurt. All right, so I draw in my y-axis. Didn't have to draw the diagram, but I'm drawing it anyway. Y minus 3, 5, and 9 minus 3. Minus 3, 5. And 9 minus 3. All right, so let's go here. All right. So let's say this is minus 2, minus 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. Origin, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is x-axis. All right. So I have minus 3, 5, which would put me around here. This is the point minus 3, 5, and this is the point Q. The next point is 9 minus 3. That will put me about here. And this is R. Let's change the color to draw a straight line through the 2 points. So this is a straight line connecting Q and R. All right, so we can see that this line cuts, immediately we can see that the line cuts the y-axis around 3. All right, so that is QR. All right, we have the Y-intercept. This is the Y-intercept. And this is the X-intercept. All right, Q is the point minus 3, 5. And R is the point 9 minus 3. This is my X1, Y1, and my X2, Y2. The midpoint M, X1 plus X2 over 2, comma, Y1 plus Y2 over 2, M. X2 is 9 plus X1, which is minus 3, over 2, Y1, which is minus 3, plus Y2, which is 5 over 2, M. Now, 9 plus minus 3 is 6. So this is 6 over 2. Minus 3 plus 5 is 2. So this is 2 over 2. So M is the point 3, 1. So we have 9 plus minus 3. Remember, if all you have in front of the bracket is a sign, you must multiply by the sign. So 9 positive times a negative is a negative. 9 plus minus 3 is the same as saying 9 minus 3. The answer here is 6. All right. So we have the coordinates of the midpoint, and we can see that will put me about here. It is definitely on the line, and it looks like the middle. So far we've been very spot on with our diagram. All right. That's the middle of the line. It looks like the middle of the line, and it is on the line. The length of the line, L, is y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square L. All right, y2 is minus 3 minus y1, which is minus 5. Put the values in carefully, correctly, and calculate. Plus x2, 9, minus x1, which is minus 3. So this is minus 3 square. You have to be careful. Don't make mistakes with your calculation. This is the square root of minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 square. A negative times a negative is a positive. 3, 9 plus 3 is 12. So this is plus 12 square. This is the square root of 64 plus 144. This is the square root of 208. This is 14.4 units. Next, you ask for the gradient of the line. Just looking at it, it looks as if the gradient of the line is negative because the line is sloping down. M, the gradient, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is y2, which is minus 3, minus y1, which is 5, over x2, which is 9, minus x1, which is minus 3. So up top, we have minus 8. Down by the bottom, we have 12. The gradient or the equation of the line, sorry, the gradient of the line is minus 3 over 4. Sorry, this is 2 over 3. Talking madness. This is minus 2 over 3. 4 over 8, 8 over 12 reduces to 2 over 3. So we have the gradient. The y-intercept from our diagram, it looks like 3. So it looks like the equation of the line is y is equal to minus 2/3 x plus 3. That's the equation of the line. All you need is the gradient and the y-intercept. Now, this is from observation, part calculation. Let us get the equation of the line using the formula. The formula is y is equal to m into x minus x naught plus y naught. That's the formula. The input for the formula m is minus 2 over 3. The second input for the formula, you need the coordinate of 1 point on the line. I know 2. This is minus 3, 5. And this is 9 minus 3. I can use any one, it doesn't matter. Any one of them would give me the correct answer. Which one should I use? Q or R? You tell me. Anybody, give me one to use. R. Let's use R. We're using R, which is 9 minus 1. No, I specifically want to use Q, and I know why. The issue of the calculation. We're using Q. Q is minus 3, 5. Let's put it in. So for the formula, this is x naught, y naught. So y is equal to m minus 2 over 3 x minus x naught, which is minus 3, plus y naught, which is 5. Guys, when you have a minus in front of a bracket like that, it means multiply. So this is a negative times a negative. So this is minus 2 over 3 x. Negative times a negative is a positive 3 plus 5 at the end. Distributive law, minus 2 over 3x. A negative times a positive is a negative. 2 over 3 times 3 is 2. So this is minus 2 plus 5. Guys, y is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 3 is the equation of the line segment, is the equation of the line QR, is the equation of the line QR.